Hello there, my name is Jim Rycroft. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at the cigarette tin fuzz pedal. Now, I won't lie, this is actually part 2. The first one actually blew up in my dad's hand. Well, it didn't quite blow up, but it's Christmas Day and it's set on fire. So, bit of health and safety for you folks. First of all, we're going to be using a soldering iron. It gets hot, it can set fire to things, ventilation, lots of toxic gases coming off. And patience. Seriously, take a break every now and again. So a capacitor is tiny, it's like a battery, sort of, and releases energy. A diode only allows electricity to go one way. A resistor deliberately restricts the current flow, which actually increases the voltage in the circuit.